We go outside? Let's go outside. No place like the backyard to experiment. This. The clothesline. I can do the clothesline without the clothes and with the clothes. That's stupid. Pointing it at the sky, even on a cloudy day, it's saying F bloody 45 or something. I mean, this only shuts down to F22 because remember I'm at 140 speed on a high ISO film. Alright, now that that's done, let's take another shot and we'll put portrait, and do a diptych photo top to bottom. So what I'm doing with these ones is I'm putting it in portrait mode, alright, and that's going to give me the landscape because I want to get the whole of me undies. I've got huge undies, so they needed to get in landscape mode because of my huge ass. Hey Jerry, you got the big bum. Jerry, we'll try the Eggleston milk bottle. Or as I know it now as the Donato milk bottle. Now that I'm a famous photographer, Jerry, what? Yeah. This is the Donato milk bottle. Check out my other video if you know what the hell I'm talking about. Now you've probably guessed, Jerry, what the hell I'm doing here. Is the glass half full or half empty? What do you think, Jerry? This is a good idea? F16, F20. But I want to get a shallow depth of field. Now we're looking at F7 to get higher. Alright, I'm going to go to F. Just turn it. Jerry, what's the matter? Who's that? Yes, Jerry, go get him. Glass and a half of full cream dairy milk in every chocolate bar. The Donato milk bottle shall it be known from here on forth. Okay, I'm up to about 19 shots out of a possible 48. Bloody hell, it's taking forever to get through this bloody film. It might save you money, but just to get through one roll of film, imagine if you had 36 rolls of film. What's that? 72 shots. Holy underwear. I want to put a light source behind it. Shit. In black and white, Jerry, it'll probably look good. Jerry, remember these photos, Jerry? You used to like these photos. You always do good photos with these, with the film camera. What's that? F9. That's F8. Probably around there. 3 feet. Portrait. That's ready to go. Spike. Terry. 3 feet. Now Spike, your turn. Jerry, you get out and Spike goes in. Spike, you go in there. In here. Inside. Inside. Spike, you go inside. You go inside. You go inside, Spike. You don't want to go inside. You stay there. No, Spider. You stay there, Spider. Oh, Spike. Finally. Spike, you're a hard, elusive one, aren't you? Finally got you to sit down for 5 seconds, Spike. What about motion? You know, things in motion and things in decay or in the contrast, the duality of... Jerry, help me out. What the hell am I talking about? Left and right of the school. That's the school I went to, Jerry. The old Smithfield Public. Okay, I'm struggling, Jerry, with the 1/40 speed. It's outside, even on a cloudy day, it's shit. It's just too slow, and the aperture is just like f45, 1/45. Anyway, so I thought I'd do this with the clouds, the heavens, and the firmament. The sky and the ground. I'm trying to do this kind of like a duality, you know, trying to get all philosophical type. Yeah. I mean, some shots I should just take normally. You don't have to have any meaning behind it. But I'd like to explore darkness, light, contrast. I mean, the photography itself is like that kind of between darkness and light, and the contrast between both. So in a sense, this diptych little project that I'm doing fits it well, photography, because, you know, it's all about light and shade. I don't know. Jerry, you gotta help me. You're too busy running, Jerry, and scratching. Oh, you cheeky bum. Jerry, who's your friend? You found a friend, Jerry? Huh? You found a friend, Jerry? You found a friend, Jerry? Open, shut. Turn the tap on, turn the tap off. You think I should do this one? Yes. It's a good one. It's a good one, Jerry. That's about 2, 4, 5. 5 foot. That's about right. I'll get down low, Jerry. Oi, you going to help me or what? And see how this goes. Oi, what's the matter? Oh, Jerry, you're sooking. You want the attention. What do you want the attention for? You're supposed to be helping me, Jerry. What about lines? Vertical lines, horizontal lines. Maybe I can incorporate my shadow. What do you think, Jerry? Am I clutching at straws here? Jerry, it's bin night. Is it 1 bin or 2 bins? Do you remember? 1 bin or 2 bins? Jerry, why don't you remember? Come on, Jerry. I can never remember if it's 1 bin or 2 bins. I just look at other people's bins and see what they've done. If the other people have done 2 bins, yep, it's 2 bins. Which got me thinking, Jerry, half frame, full frame. What do you think, Jerry? Half frame, full frame? So in the tradition of Eggleston, half frame, 1 bin, 2 bin. F-stop doesn't actually have little clicks on each stop. You kind of can put it in the middle and you can, you know, play around. I mean, it's all, the film doesn't really matter. You can muck around with the f-stops. You can go up or down. It's very forgiving, they reckon. So they say. Hey, Jerry, it's very forgiving. Anyway, I hope they bloody turn out. Actually, I just thought of something there. Jerry's got, one side she looks like a little cow, and on the other side it's all white. So there you go. There's another diptych. Jerry Diptych. There you go. Jerry's just giving me an idea. Up the hill, down the hill. Hey Jerry. Huh? Up the hill, down the hill, Jerry. It's nice and dark today. Up the hill, down the hill, Jerry. What do you think? Yes, Jerry. You always give me good ideas, Jerry. Jerry, F14. Jerry, where are you? Let's take a landscape shot. I like those trees there. Did you catch him, Jerry? Yeah, Ray. Alright, this bit here is where I took that infrared shot, and I really like that shot. Maybe I can just get a nice landscape. Yeah, I think this is 30mm. Okay, so this side I liked as well. Always remember to turn around, because there's always something better behind you. Hey Jerry, always something better behind you. I found this one actually to be a little bit better. And then this one was F11. So you always got to remember to check your meter, because even though you're in the same spot, depending on which way you're pointing, you know, with the light and everything. So sometimes, you know, the sunny 16 rule doesn't always, you know, you're not going to get precise. Jerry! No! Jerry! Hey! Jump in. That's her arch enemy, the swamp hen. Jerry's arch enemy, the swamp hen. Jerry, no! You be careful! Jerry! Yes, Jerry, you're all bark, no bite. The swamp hen, Jerry's arch enemy. Good girl, Jerry. Yeah, you got it out of your system. Here's that telegraph pole in the middle of nowhere. I'm going to christen it Donato's Telegraph Pole. Just like the milk bottle, I'm going to put my name on it. Donato's Telegraph Pole. Let's take a photo here. I think I haven't got many shots left. Well, it's been a bit of a long and windy road, these 48 shots. I mean, most of them were double diptych shots, so really it was only 24 shots, but a few shots in there that were just normal whites, portrait and landscape. Well, you don't have to be diptych all the time, you don't have to have a theme. The whole idea of it was, back in the 70s, you got double the amount of film. Alright, the long and winding road. Let's finish off with this. Jerry, there you go. The Beatles, Jerry. Are you are you the fifth Beatle? Why don't we do it in the road? Why don't we do it in the road? No one will be watching us. Why don't we do it in the road? I had a few extra shots. I don't know what's going on. Good old film always gives you a few extra shots at the end. Spewing. I thought I had one last shot, but it won't click because I think it's at the end of the film. But that would have been the perfect ending to this video. There's your diptych. There's your 3x4, 3x4. Hey Jerry, what do you think?
If you leave me now, you'll take away the biggest part of me.
We've got to process the film, Jerry. Come on, up. It's been a while since I've used this chemical. How long does the chemical last? I don't know. I think it said like a year or so. But it's all I've got. It's the mono bath. Oh, look what's happened to this one. Oh no, it's just all clear. Alright, let's process this film and hopefully this whole video hasn't been a waste of time. Jerry, you know what? I've forgotten how to do it. I have to look at my old video to relearn how to bloody develop the film in the mono bath, Jerry. Do you remember how to do it? You help me anyway. Click. Lucky. Lucky Rob. Lucky Jerry. All good. HP5. Darkroom. Canister. Patterson. Sydney Harbour Bridge. 1973 bottle opener. Can of film. Surgical scissors. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's go. Jerry, where are you? You're not helping. Those two nodules go there. Ching, 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 ching. Bada bing, bada bing, bada bing, bada bing, bada bing, bada bing. Bada boom. Zippy. Oh, Zippy. Hey, Zippy. Oh, bungle. Oh, you idiot. I forgot the lid. You forgot the lid, bungle. What am I supposed to do with these now? Let me know in the comments what you do with your discarded rolls. Ilford HP5 Plus, ISO 400. So normal is 80 Fahrenheit. If I want to push it, it's 85. So let's do constant 3 minutes and I'll push it by half a stop. So 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, let that build up. Let's have a cappuccino. Jerry, do you want a mugguccino? How's this temperature going? I want to push it, so 85 to 90. Bugger. Never works. I'm a shit barista, Jerry. Yes, that's a cappuccino and a Jerry Chino and a half. You like that? Up yours, Peter McKinnon. Today's the 16th. Anyway, bloody these days, they put that much bloody chemicals in it. Hey, Jerry, should be alright. My stomach. If I start running to the toilet, Jerry, you'll know what happened. Now you're supposed to do 3 minutes, an extra 15 seconds. I've used this twice now, so probably an extra 30 seconds. Now the moment of truth, Jerry, this is where the heart race goes up. Did it work? Whoa. Whoa. Jerry! Hey, Jerry! He got him, Jerry. Yes, got him. See the half frame? It's all half frame, Jerry. I'll squeegee it up now and hang it up and give it about 6, maybe overnight. I'll do it tomorrow, or I think it's about 6 hours. Wait, you got to scan it now. Gary. Gary. Are you hungry? Gary. Good girl, Jerry, good girl. Did you take some good photos today? Yes, Jerry, you always take good photos. Anyway, Jerry, you do the exit. You do the outro, Jerry. Remember, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. All right? You do it. Go.